Once soaring through the clouds, these giants of the sky now rest in silence, waiting for a second chance to ignite their mechanical souls once more. Today, beneath the weathered surface of this aircraft wing lies premium 7075 aluminum, a legendary alloy known for its incredible strength and lightweight aerospace heritage and high durability. Years of high-altitude travel have left their mark, but the structural integrity of this metal remains uncompromised, ready to be stripped and reborn for ultimate racing speed. The industrial sun glints off the metallic scales, revealing the complex grain of an alloy engineered to withstand the most extreme atmospheric pressures and freezing high-altitude temperatures. Massive hydraulic claws tear through the fuselage with surgical precision, beginning the deconstruction of a titan that once bridged continents across the vast and beautiful blue oceans. The hidden skeleton of the jet is revealed, a masterpiece of engineering that will now serve as the raw foundation for a high-performance supercar engine block design. In the high-tech processing facility, the massive aluminum sections are laid flat, ready to face the power of ultra-high-pressure water jet cutting technology for the very first time. A focused stream of water, pressurized to 60,000 psi, slices through 20-centimeter thick aluminum as if it were soft butter, leaving a perfectly clean surgical edge. Shimmering droplets and tiny metallic particles spray outward in slow motion, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and energy within the industrial workshop's focused and dramatic glow. The precision of the digital cutting path ensures zero thermal distortion, preserving the unique properties of the aerospace alloy while breaking it down into perfectly manageable metal blocks. Automated robotic arms move with calculated fluid grace, sorting the freshly cut aluminum blocks into organized stacks, preparing them for the intense heat of the induction furnace. Every piece is measured and verified, representing the first step in transforming raw scrap into a refined component capable of handling thousands of horsepower with absolute ease. From the cold precision of water jet cutting, we move toward the searing heart of the facility, where fire and electromagnetism will soon purify the precious metal's essence. The aluminum blocks drop into the induction furnace, where powerful electromagnetic fields begin to agitate the atoms, generating heat directly within the metal itself instantly for melting. A brilliant orange radiance reflects off the polished surfaces of the facility as the temperature rises towards 660 degrees Celsius for the melting process. Solid metal transitions into a liquid state, swirling and bubbling as the electromagnetic forces ensure a perfectly uniform temperature throughout the entire molten mass of recycled aluminum. The molten aluminum now resembles a pool of liquid silver, its surface vibrating subtly under the influence of the high-frequency electromagnetic waves used for the purification stage. This advanced electromagnetic stirring technique forces impurities to the surface, allowing for a level of purity that meets the demanding standards of the world's most elite automotive engineering. With mechanical precision, a robotic arm skims away the oxidized slag, leaving behind a glowing, pure liquid that represents the absolute pinnacle of recycled material quality and strength. The liquid metal flows like a river of starlight, devoid of 99.9% of aerospace contaminants, ready to be cast into its new and final powerful form. Engineers monitor the elemental composition in real time, ensuring the alloy balance is perfect for the high-stress environment of a modern, high-revving, and powerful V12 engine block. Precision cooling and heating cycles are maintained to stabilize the grain structure, ensuring the final product will have the durability required for the most extreme racing conditions. The liquid metal is now perfected, a distilled essence of its former self, waiting for the mold that will define its new identity as a racing powerhouse. A massive steel mold, preheated to optimal temperature, stands ready to receive the molten aluminum and shape the heart of a legendary supercar engine block today. The glowing liquid is poured with steady control, filling the complex channels of the V12 engine mold, a symphony of fire and geometry coming together perfectly tonight. Under low-pressure casting conditions, the metal fills every intricate detail of the cylinder walls and coolant jackets, ensuring a solid structure without any trapped air or defects. Liquid nitrogen is unleashed, creating a thick white mist as it rapidly cools the mold, locking the aluminum atoms into a dense and incredibly strong metallic matrix. Hissing steam billows through the workshop as the thermal shock stabilizes the metal, a process that maximizes the tensile strength of the recycled aerospace alloy for high speed. The heavy steel plates pull apart to reveal the raw engine block, a steaming, solid sculpture that carries the DNA of a jet and the future of speed. Though rough in appearance, the raw casting is a triumph of metallurgical engineering, ready to be carved into a high-precision instrument of pure and absolute mechanical speed. Inside the pristine environment of the 5-axis CNC chamber, the raw engine block is secured, awaiting the touch of diamond-tipped tools and high-speed digital precision machining. Spinning at 20,000 revolutions per minute, the diamond drill bites into the aluminum, carving out the combustion chambers with a level of accuracy that is truly world-class. A continuous stream of milky white coolant keeps the temperature stable, allowing the tools to maintain their edge while washing away the brilliant silver aluminum chips during carving. The piston bores are machined to a tolerance of just 1,000th of a millimeter, ensuring a perfect seal and minimal friction for the high-speed internal engine components. Intricate oil galleries are bored through the heart of the block, creating a life-sustaining network that will lubricate the engine during its most intense moments of track performance. The CNC head tilts and rotates on 5 axes, reaching impossible angles to finish the complex mounting points and sensor housings required for modern electronic engine management. Tiny silver shavings fly through the air like metallic snow as the machine strips away every unnecessary gram, optimizing the weight-to-power ratio of this recycled masterpiece engine. Integrated laser sensors scan the surface after every pass, verifying the dimensions against the original digital blueprints to ensure total perfection in every single cut made here. The final pass of the finishing tool leaves the surface so smooth it begins to catch the light, signaling the end of the heavy machining phase today. A master technician, wearing pristine white gloves, begins the final hand polishing process, treating the engine block not just as a part, but as a fine mechanical jewel. Using specialized compounds, the aluminum surface is buffed until it achieves a mirror-like finish, reflecting the dedication and skill poured into every single stage of its creation. Light dances across the sharp edges and smooth curves of the finished V12, showcasing the incredible transformation from a weathered airplane wing to a stunning mechanical jewel. Resting beside a scale model of the aircraft it once belonged to, the engine block stands as a testament to the power of high-tech recycling and innovation. This is the ultimate rebirth, where aerospace history meets automotive future, resulting in a machine that is as beautiful to look at as it is powerful. From the endless blue sky to the asphalt of the racetrack, the journey of this aluminum is complete, proving that true quality is truly eternal and timeless.